How to submit a ticket in Gcash. First things first, of course, pull up your Gcash application. And once you're here, you just have to log in using your MPIN. Now, there are variety kinds of submitting a ticket. For you to be able to go to that page, just go to your profile on the lower right of your phone, scroll all the way down, and go to Help. Now, from here, it's either you could go ahead and chat with Gigi by clicking the button right here, chat with Gigi, and then you can also go ahead to view articles, and then you just have to type the keyword on your concern on why are you sending a specific ticket. You can also click on the magnifying glass right here, so there have a plenty of list on those specific tickets that you want to get submitted. Now, to make things short, you'll just have to go with chat with Gigi, and then you'll have to make like a short conversation with Gigi. You just have to tell Gigi on what happened, why you're submitting a ticket, and they'll be the ones who's gonna generate the ticket for you. Now, once you submitted a ticket, you'll just have to track on that ticket number under your conversations. So since I did not submit any ticket, nothing will appear here. So that's basically it. That's how you submit a ticket on your Gcash app.